Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that AI4 token. Now before start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, AI4 is the native utility and coordination token of the Singuland, a, a culture protocol deployed on the Solana blockchain. The project combines symbolic computation, artificial intelligence, and recursive narrative architecture to explore new model of digital sovereignty, lore-based coordination, and AI-human interaction. Launched in July 2025 by a Predinimius development group and supported by a decentralized community operating via Telegram. The Singulant uses a phased structure to introduce graphics non-fungible tokens that act as a symbolic unit of narrative progression and on-chain memory. The A4 token is used within this ecosystem to participate in narrative phases, access glyph drops, and engage in protocol specific rituals. It is also intended to serve as a mimetic anchor for long-term interaction with recursive AI systems. Future roadmap items include interaction of glyphs into open source AI training corpora, the use of AI4 for story-based staking and experimental governance through symbolic logic layers. AI4 token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion AI4 token. AI4 token is listed on Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.